Forgive me, Master. I'll have to go all out just this once. Hey guys, it's Aaron, and pardon the lighting. I know that this side of me is way darker. It's because, again, there's the overhead light right there, trying to figure out how to film this stuff. This is being filmed at night. I want to film in the daytime more, but because I'll have natural light then at least, but I'm still figuring out my schedule when I can actually sit down to film, and I could have filmed tomorrow, where I would have had time during the day. Today's Tuesday the 12th. I could film tomorrow, but I'm done with lesson 5. I freaking obliterated it. And I want to move on to lesson 6, which I should not do until I make a video on lesson 5, because that's how I'm trying to do this. So lesson 5 was awesome. It's weird. It kind of, clicked with me earlier today, actually. I've studied lesson 5 a lot. I also set up Anki, that memorizing app, to do the flashcards with the spaced repetition. I actually have that set up correctly now. I had it set up incorrectly before, but I've got what was I saying? I don't even remember now. Oh yeah! Earlier today, it kind of just clicked with me. I don't know, a lot of the things I was struggling to remember, I was just suddenly able to remember. So that's awesome. It made it a lot easier to actually, learn the kanji, to remember the kanji. So lesson 5, what freaking stuff did I learn that I learned? There's quite a few in lesson 5. We went from 74 kanji to 98, so that's an increase of 24. Yes, I'm so terrified. It's basic math, but I'm terrified of getting it wrong, because I'm going to look like such an idiot if I do. So we got fish guts, riot, straightaway, tool, true, by one's... Nope, that's a primitive, never mind. Craft, left, right, possess, bribe, tribute, paragraph, sword, blade, cut, seduce, shining, rule, wealth, vice, separate, street, village, can, and place on the head. Those are the 24 kanji for lesson 5. And again, I wasn't necessarily struggling with them any more than normal, but I was definitely on them at first. And today, especially, I was getting them as I was going, but today especially, it just clicked, and I've got them all perfectly now. Obviously, I gotta keep that up before so I don't forget them. But lesson 5 is going pretty good. I'm actually really impressed so far. I'm at 98 kanji, and it's at a point where I can just see the word and I know what the kanji is. And it's actually really cool because in my Japanese class, I know what some of the kanji are. I'm actually using them. The one for old, which just looks like a tombstone, it's like a cross and then a box. It's literally just like a box and then a cross on top. Is the kanji for old. The word old, the adjective. The adjective is furui, which we learned that recently in class. I want to start making Japanese 102 recap weekly videos because that's a good thing to do. So I don't forget. Maybe bi-weekly, I'm not sure. Someone had in a presentation today, furui, and they used the kanji, which we didn't know, because the presentation is for Japanese people who are coming to our university. They used the kanji for furui, and I was like, wait, I freaking know that kanji. I just realized, I was like, I know furui, the word, and I know the kanji for old. Boom, that's the same thing. And there's some other ones. We just learned positional words. I now, from lesson 5, know the kanji for left and right. I know it for up and down as well. And for in, naka, I've known that one. It's awesome, though. I just, a lot of them I'm not using yet. Most of them I'm not using yet. But the ones I do, it's super encouraging to actually see that, that improvement. That getting better, that being able to use it. So I'm really looking forward to learning lesson 6, which I will no doubt do tomorrow. Lesson 6 is going to be easy. It goes from kanji number 99 to 109. It's only 10 kanji. So lesson 7 then is going to be a lot more, and I believe after that they're pretty consistently a lot. I think I'll be at 200 by lesson 10. No, lesson 9. Lesson 9, crosses into 200. So, but well, I'll get there. Lesson 6 is the important one because lesson 6, 100 kanji, and you know I'm going to be doing something small to celebrate. So stay tuned for a lesson 6 video because it will probably be very soon. Yesterday I recorded another Japanese 101 recap video. Pretty sure I'm going to completely redo it. It kind of sucked. So this video and the Chinese New Year one will be coming up sometime. Well, for me it's next week. If you're watching this, that means it's this week, obviously. I'm trying to, let me know what you want for uploads. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. I'm doing at least one video every Sunday, but I think I can get 2 videos done a week, which means I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll have something on Sunday no matter what, and then if I have a second video, I'll put it up on Thursday. Last Sunday I had 2 videos because I wanted to start with 2 videos. I don't know what I want to do now, but either way, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following me on my journey through remembering the kanji. It's going great so far. I'm enjoying it. Lesson 6 is about to be freaking, I don't know, haven't come up with an adjective for that one yet. But as of right now, lesson 5 was obliterated. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope that works.